All right, friends, today we're going back in time. Not to the 60s, not to the 50s, but all the way to the elegant swagger of the late 1930s, when men wore hats unironically. Cars looked like sculptures, and racing meant screaming down the Mulsanne Straight with goggles and guts. Enter the Peugeot 402 Darl'mat Special Sport Roadster. A car so French, it practically comes with a baguette and existential dread. Now, before we fall head over heels for this streamlined stunner, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right here on Technomaniacs, where we serve rare classics hotter than a cafe creme on a cobblestone street. And hey, there's a link to the official product website and archives in the video description, in case you're already searching for your wallet. So let's paint the scene. It's 1937. Paris is buzzing. And this car rolls out of a three-way collaboration between Peugeot, visionary dealer Émile Darl'mat, and the ultra-sleek coach builders at Carrosserie Pourtout. Basically, if Gatsby were French and raced Le Mans, this would be his daily. Based on the Peugeot 402 chassis, the Darl'mat Roadster wasn't just a rebodied grocery getter. I think what made it special was the shortened wheelbase, low center of gravity, and that art-deco bodywork by Georges Paulin. The guy was a dentist turned car designer, because why not? The car's flowing curves, long hood, teardrop fenders, and signature waterfall grille made it look like it was doing 100 while parked in a courtyard. Under that long snout lived a 2.0-liter inline-four engine, good for about 70 horsepower. Now I know, that's less than your mom's minivan. But back in the 30s, that meant this beauty could touch 150 kilometers per hour. And it did so looking like a sculpture, while most other cars looked like bricks with wheels. The 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive gave it legit sports car cred, not just Café Poseur flair. This wasn't all talk either. The Darl'mat went to Le Mans, baby. That's right, it raced the 24 hours of Le Mans and actually did pretty well. I believe one of the coolest parts is how it blended race-bred aerodynamics with road-going luxury. Like if James Bond quit MI6 and joined a French art school. And get this, only a limited number were ever made, and each was basically hand-built. We're talking the kind of rarity where collectors start sweating when one shows up at Pebble Beach. If you see one in person, treat it with respect. Or just whisper bonjour and pretend you're from Monaco. Bottom line, the Peugeot 402 Darl'mat Special Sport Roadster isn't just a car, it's a rolling tribute to French craftsmanship, creativity, and just a touch of racing madness. And I like the most how it refuses to be forgotten, a timeless reminder that form and function don't have to fight, they can flirt. Want to drool over more pics or dream about restoration? The link is in the description below. Until next time, keep it classy, keep it weird, and keep watching Technomaniacs.